Hey, come here. Get back. Come back.
Yeah?
Yeah. You crashed into a bunch of cars.
I did not.
Yeah, you did.
I did not.
Here, take these. Take these from you.
And?
Okay, turn around, put your hands behind your back for the moment till we figure out what's going on, okay?
Okay.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Okay, and?
Salute, class. Welcome to the Mr. Goodbread Plus channel. Y'all know what we do over here. Hit that like button and let's get busy.
You're arresting me for what?
Well,
For what?
turn around. Okay, stop. Okay?
For what?
You crashed into a bunch of cars.
I did not.
Okay, we got a bunch of calls on you. Huh?
I did not. You're not.
Damn, they got her
No.
secured
We
at
gotta
the
call my attorney.
I don't care about your attorney right now, okay?
Okay, so what do I do?
Stop.
No,
Okay?
you're gonna stop. You're gonna stop.
The number one sign of a hardened criminal is when they start calling for a lawyer. Anybody that got a call for a lawyer, then you know they've been in trouble with the law before. So that's a pure indicator of a hell of a man or a hell of a female.
Man, don't make me do this bull. Okay?
Listen, we're not doing this bull.
I know.
I
Stop.
came home.
Okay, I don't care what we're doing. Okay? Now I'm gonna put you in the car.
No, you're not. I have a right to call my... No, I have a right to call my attorney. I have a right to call my attorney. I'm not.
Put your feet in or I'm gonna force you to put your feet in.
You can call my attorney.
I'll call your attorney when you put your feet in.
I absolutely...
Put your feet in.
I did not do anything right.
Okay? Then chill out and we'll figure it out in a minute.
Okay,
Put your feet in.
Thank you. That's really tight.
Well, because you kept trying to snatch away from me.
I did not. My handcuffs are really tight. They're bleeding.
We're not bleeding.
They're hurting me really bad.
We're not comfortable.
They're really bad.
Well, you shouldn't have tried to snatch away from me.
I did not try to snatch away from you.
Well, I mean...
Please loosen them up.
Okay, I will shortly, okay? Or we'll figure it out. But if you're going to keep being uncooperative with me, I'm not going to do it.
Loosen them up.
I will if you stop being uncooperative with me shortly.
I'm not being uncooperative with you.
Ma'am, you're on body cam video, okay?
Absolutely, that's fine.
So,
4659 St. John, 1012 434.
Loosen my hands up.
Alright, turn that way. You're not getting out. Turn that way. Put your foot back in.
Can you pull?
I'm looking. I'm trying to see how tight they are.
They're really tight.
Okay, turn that way. Straighten your arms for me.
I am straightening my arms.
Don't do that. Bring your arms back. Bring your arms back.
Are tight.
Alright, they're not too tight. I haven't had a chance to look at her car. But if she's hammered, I saw her driving. So,
Yeah, we've got some fresh damage right here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, fantastic.
What did I do wrong?
I told you hit a bunch of cars in the Durbin Pavilion parking lot. You got damage all over your car. We got
There's product damage on my car for previous accident.
we got a bunch of witnesses. Okay.
Who's the accident?
A bunch. A bunch. So we're gonna deal with it shortly.
That's fine. That's fine. I didn't hit a single car.
Well, a bunch of people said you did,
I did.
and we got it on video.
Where? Show me the video.
4659
you'll see it.
434.
Show me the video.
You'll see it. Don't worry. Don't worry.
That's fine.
That's fine.
We got
Can you please loosen
some
these
white
handcuffs? They're
transfer
super tight.
I tried, but you weren't cooperating with me. Okay.
They're hurting me.
I was trying, but you weren't cooperating.
I
Plan for it next time.
That's it.
Well, my name is Deputy Evans with the Sheriff's Office, and I smell a strong odor of alcohol coming from your breath. You've been drinking? Well, since you hit a car, you're involved in a hit and run. Okay.
I never hit a car. They never pulled over. No one did anything. That's what I'm saying. Like,
Well, they saw you.
Okay, if they would have pulled me over, I would have said something the whole time.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Well, here's what I'm going to do.
Okay.
I'm going to conduct a criminal investigation for DUI. Okay. And since you were seen driving a vehicle, I want to make sure that you're okay.
Absolutely.
Okay, so what we're going to do? So what we're going to do? Yeah. So what we're going to do? We're going to take them off, and then we're going to do some what's called field sobriety test. There's a nice white line over there.
That works.
Come on out, young lady.
Please, I can't.
What's your first name?
You can step out.
Anastasia.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and step out.
They
I'll take
hurt
them off.
that.
Well, I'll take them off for you, okay?
No, hold
You
on.
okay?
No, I'm naked.
Okay, well, I don't need to. Well, how about we pull this up for you?
Bingo.
We don't want you to be naked.
Okay?
Okay? Go ahead and turn around. We'll take them off for you.
Thank you.
And this is her problem. She's used to being pampered. She's used to being handled with gloves and things of that nature. A lot of women like this woman is suffering from entitlement syndrome. They never been told no. And then a lot of women like her, they grow up in environments where they get to use their pretty privilege. Now, I know beauty is in the eyes of the beholder, but women like her, the collagen hooligan women, because you can see she got all that collagen in her lips, these women be suffering from the most depression, guys. So to escape that depression, they run to the alcohol, and then they end up doing things like this, DUIs. And now she gonna try to use her pretty privilege to get her out of trouble.
All right, when I tell you to do so, what I want you to do is put your right hand on top of your head until I tell you to take it down, all right? All right. All right. I appreciate your cooperation.
Thank you, babes.
Babes? I haven't been called that in many years.
Because I'm
Babes.
a dancer. I'm a dancer.
You're a what?
Dancer.
A dancer? What kind of dance?
Adult.
Huh? Adult dancer. Okay. Nothing wrong with that.
Okay, I'm done.
We all have to make a living, right?
I sure do.
All right.
Okay.
All right. So what I need for you to do is I need for you to come over here with me, and we're going to make sure that you're okay. Do me a favor. See this line right here? What I need for you to do is put your feet together. Tell him I'm sensitive.
Who there? Somebody calling you?
Brent.
I got it.
So you don't want to do the question I've asked you? Okay. At this point, you are going to be placed under arrest.
All right,
Yes,
man.
ma'am. I will be gentle. I'm always
Hey,
gentle.
stop. You're being
I'm always gentle.
Okay.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
Thank you.
I'm always,
Okay,
always
sounds good.
gentle. Okay?
Yeah.
And I'll put these nice and
Yeah.
loose on you so they
Thank
won't
you.
hurt your wrist. Okay?
Thank you. You're amazing. Thank you.
We're here to help you.
I know you are. You're being nice. He was not being nice. You're being nice.
Who wasn't being nice? My boss? My boss is a super, super nice guy.
You're super nice. You're being super nice. Okay. Oh my god. Hold on. Stop. My shit is flying up. My is up.
I don't need to know anything
Okay.
about your
Can someone like...
stuff.
We're working on it.
No. Can you like...
You're good now.
We moved you so the wind doesn't blow where things can be shown.
Thank you.
All right. At this time, you are being placed under arrest for DUI, okay?
Okay.
And I have to read a few things for you, but we can do that in the car.
Okay.
All right? Come on over here.
Whoa, easy.
You okay?
No, you tripped me. What the
Come on, you can't walk very well. That's the
No,
problem.
he tripped me.
He
What
didn't
the
trip
fuck?
you. Relax.
How many?
You were being so nice to me, and now you're yelling at me.
I am.
I don't need your stuff to be hanging out. I'll fix your tie, okay? There you go. All right. Go ahead and have a seat. I gotta read you a few things, okay? I want you to pay attention, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions. Do you understand each of these rights that I have explained to you?
Yes, I do.
Now, with these rights in mind, you want to talk to me about what's going on today?
I wonder why you calling me to the side.
Okay. Well, we'll start with the hit and run. Okay. Over in the Petco parking lot, you hit a car. Okay. So you were seen by a person hitting their car.
Okay.
Okay. You have damage consistent with the damage.
Actually, I have damage from my previous accident 2 months ago that I didn't fix from Mercedes.
Okay.
I can testify to the Mercedes-Benz accident
Okay.
because I was hit it 2 months ago. That is not true. We can testify, and I can show you the records.
Okay.
I can show you if you let me pull my phone.
I'm not doing the crash investigation.
not.
Deputy Clouser
I did
is
not
doing
hit
the crash
nobody.
investigation. And what'll happen is you'll get the
Okay.
paperwork for that.
Yeah, that's fine.
But I'm doing the criminal investigation,
That's fine.
and that's for DUI. Okay.
Okay.
You were seen driving a motor vehicle.
Okay.
I smell a strong odor of an alcoholic
Smell
beverage
alcohol. Okay.
emitting from your breath. Okay.
Okay. And that's what you assume.
Now I can smell it.
You can smell it. So your smell
You
is
told
for
me.
alcohol. I did not tell you.
You told me that you had some drinks at the time.
No, that's not what I told you.
Go ahead and slide your feet that way.
Okay. So, what?
Slide your feet that way.
I said we can't take it.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Slide your feet that way.
Okay.
All right, bingo.
I don't want you to open the door. I want you to slide.
Close the door. We'll talk about it.
No. Because if you
Put your feet in.
Put your feet in.
Jail.
You are going to jail. You're under arrest.
I'm not.
Okay. Put your feet in.
I'm not
If
resisting
you
arrest.
if you resist,
said-
you're going to catch another
you
charge.
said-
So I'm
Sir.
going to give you one more opportunity.
Sir, you
One
said.
more.
You
Put your
said-
feet in the car.
You said was if I am.
Sit up. Stop being ridiculous. Stop. Okay? Relax. I'm going to
No.
sit you back up and we're going to shut the door. Okay? Relax.
Yeah, just sit up, please.
We're going to have
Can you pull her over, Josh?
we can put her.
All right, I'm going to shut this door and then we're going to have to kick her feet up. Good night.
I'm not resisting.
He's already-
What are you talking about? What are you?
And we're going to have to pull her out and tarp her, it looks like.
Yeah.
I'm not resisting. What are you talking about?
What's up, bud? Hey, I want to give you a couple updates on your mom. Okay, we've got her. She's going to be going to jail tonight.
Why?
Okay, she would hit a bunch of cars in the parking lot, and she's real drunk. So, yeah. Are you? Is there anybody else that can come hang out with you, or are you good by yourself?
I'm good by myself.
Okay. Sorry to give you this news, man, but it just kind of is what it is.
The woman was charged with 1 count of DUI, 1 count of leaving the scene of a crash, and 1 count of resisting arrest.
And this is why it's important that we fix our reality manually. We got to go in the default settings and fix it manually, because if not, then we're going to be reaching for drugs. We're going to be reaching for all types of devices so that we can escape that reality. And guess what? The reality is going to be there. It ain't going nowhere. When you get drunk and go out there and drinking and driving and trying to soap your sorrows and your depression, you at risk. If you hit somebody while you out there drunk driving, man, that'll change the trajectory of your whole life. Understand that. And money is not going to get you out of trouble, so it don't matter how much money you have. All right, guys? Now like, share, and subscribe if you feeling the content, guys. I'll see you guys later. Let's take it to the comment section.